Bro, I said I am growing with YouTube, and in this journey, I learned the biggest lesson of my life. This lesson is simple but powerful. For success, you must speak in a loud and clear voice. Not only in YouTube videos, but also in real life. Think about it. If your voice is low, unclear, and shaky, people won't listen. Even if your ideas are great, your words won't reach them. But when you speak with confidence and your voice is strong and clear, people will start paying attention. On YouTube, this is important. Your videos can have good editing, nice thumbnail, and useful content. But if your voice is weak, people will click it away. Your voice shows your confidence, your energy, and your belief in yourself. And the same rule works in real life. If you want people to trust you, respect you, or follow your ideas, you need to speak clearly. A clear voice shows that you believe in what you are saying. If you want success, do not focus on what to say. Focus on how to say. Practice speaking louder and clearer and with more energy. That is the lesson I learned on my YouTube journey, and today I wanted to share with you. Speak clear, speak confident, and success will follow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.